we face it head on. There will be need for, in order to consolidate opposition in Kenya, we will work with everybody. But if others walk out, of course we can't. Our sister Mother Karua, for example, walked out. She gave notice. I don't think that DAP has given notice, or Wiper, or Jubilee. No. So, Chris, just report that nobody is walking out from this side. And the ones who have given notice, and because we believe it is good. It is good. When we talk to everybody going forward, yeah, we will talk to everybody so that we build a strong coalition. So when you talk about strengthening, actually, I think what I can tell you, a time is coming when we will ask everybody to validate their membership in Azimio and expand. Others come, others leave. Because Kenya Kwanza want to force everybody into one party, right? We want Kenyans to know there's space in our side of the coalition.
Okay, the second question,
I hope you have corrected your mind.
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, the second question, there seems to be a growing camaraderie between you and the executive president regarding a travel has led to some rumors and even speculation that
I think politics is about speculations and rumors. So you just have to use your mind again to know camaraderie, the spirit of camaraderie. Even you, I want to buy you, or you buy me some coffee. I'm going to let kamongo. All right? People must be free to associate without, being insensitive. The time for hard talk is coming. Thank you. Sawa. Kuna ingine? Ya mwisho sa. Melita. No, he just remind, I think it was Ruto himself who said, there will be compensation. Kenyans are waiting. Now, is it one of those usual? One of those usual. We'll keep on, and by the way, I don't think it's a matter sometimes of just being soft about it. This is deep. Kenyans are hurting. Their parents are waiting. There are still parents asking, where are our children? And you hear Inspector General of Police saying, these are not under police. Who else carries pingu? Kama yule jamaa amezikwa kule Siaya, juzi. Found abducted or something na pingu. Nani anabeba pingu? Yeah. We have evidence of young people who were arrested and dumped in the rivers, some in I think Moranga, Kware. The Kware issue, by the way. And here I want to make a very clear statement. If there is government still in place, can you go and clear Kware? Yani isafishe majeshi yende pale isafishe hapo na hapo mahali patengenezwe. So it's not enough to go and tell the world in Baku. Baku is the capital of Azerbaijan. Kwamba hey, we are cleaning the Nairobi River. Start with the quarry. And maybe there are still more bodies there in Kware. So we must stop this. I was going to use a term which is not mediation free. Thank you. Thank you.
Hanifa.